Sawblade.com understands that you need a porta-band blade that will eliminate tooth stripping, stay sharp, and last a long time. That's why we're proud to partner with the MK Morse on their 2024 TPI Portaband blade. This American-made workhorse will deliver results, not excuses. Whether you're a professional or a weekend warrior, you need a quality, high-performing porta-band blade that will help you take on any job. The 44 and 7/8 inch long porta-band blade will fit most standard models and will excel in cutting materials thinner than a 14 gauge thickness. The 2024 TPI blade cuts prime applications such as a rigid conduit for electrical, strut, threaded rod, and pipe. The teeth of the 2024 TPI blade are designed with an alternating tooth pattern, which improves blade life, reduces stress, and leaves a clean, workable finish. This American-made blade is engineered to reduce problematic vibrations that strip teeth and cause blade chatter. At Sawblade.com, we manufacture quality American bandsaw blades that are made to order, and we offer an extensive line of sawing products. We also sell circular blades, coolant, machines, and aftermarket parts, so you can think of Sawblade.com as your one-stop shop for all your sawing needs. Thanks for watching, and also please check out Sawblade.tv for more in-depth videos, product overviews, and tech tips to take your cutting game to the next level. I'm Celeste, product specialist at Sawblade.com, and remember, no middleman, no markup, no problem. Go direct.